Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to repeat table headers for a selected row in Microsoft Word. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to ensure that the header row of a specific table row appears on every page when printing or viewing a document. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Microsoft Word. Launch Microsoft Word on your computer and open the document containing the table for which you want to repeat the header for a selected row. Step 2. Select the row. Click inside the row that you want to repeat as the header. The row should now be highlighted to indicate it's selected. Step 3. Access row properties. With the row still selected, go to the Layout tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab is specific to table-related options. Step 4. Open row properties. In the Layout tab, locate the table group and click on the Properties button. A dialog box titled Table Properties will appear. Step 5. Navigate to the Row tab. Within the Table Properties dialog box, this tab contains options related to row properties for the selected row. Step 6. Enable Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Within the Row tab, locate the checkbox labeled Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page, and check it. Enable this option. Step 7. Confirm and apply changes. Click the OK button to confirm and apply the changes. The dialog box will close, and the selected row will now be set to repeat as the header on every page. Step 8. Verify the result. To ensure that the table header for the selected row is repeating correctly, scroll through the document and check that the selected row appears at the top of each page where the table spans across multiple pages. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to repeat the table header for a selected row in Microsoft Word. Now, you can ensure that a specific row serves as the header, appearing consistently on every page. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.